Set up these important parameters. Then click Confirm Enter. Then click on the area calculation. It can be detected, start and stop. Then when we use the hand oil pump, all of the above operations we talked about, both, it is carried out without pressure. Without pressure, single down the valve on the side of the hand oil pump. Just unscrew it counterclockwise. And then, when we need to verify, just tighten it clockwise. Then press slowly. Don't be too fast. Otherwise, the sensor will not detect it. It opens. Then click Set Verification. Our tuning verification is divided into 1 tuning and triple check. Then click Set Start Stop again. Tighten the check valve. Then slowly press OK. So that's our actual setting pressure. 1.68 trillion. Then we'll click Check again. Start and stop. You can see it. The displacement has gone a total of 0.285 毫米. The setting pressure is 1.68. With our rated setting pressure, yes, the difference error is 0%, so it's qualified. Then the pressure relief. This process is repeated 3 times. Because in terms of national standards, calibration of safety valve, it needs to be checked 3 times. To qualify, it is our setting of the check box 3 times. This is our safety valve. Verified some reports. Here's the curve verifier date.